Okay, hi guys. I'm going to try and make this a quick video, but I don't know how we're going to do. Okay, so I picked up the Naked 2 palette from Urban Decay at Sephora. I just want to talk about it, talk about how much I paid for it, and swatch it for you guys really quick. So I actually only paid $22 for it. I'm going to tell you how. I went online. There was this special a few days ago where you got a $10 gift card for $5, so I did that. And a few weeks ago, I got more gift cards. Basically, I only paid $22 for $55 worth of gift cards. Google getting discounted gift cards and things like that. And you might have, I ended up having to get 3 different gift cards. So it's just going to depend on how much you're willing to pay for the amount that you want, basically. So the only thing I bought was the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. And then I had 100 points on my account, on my Sephora account, and I picked up a small little trial size of face wash that I literally just had in my hand not 10 seconds ago. But it's now, I don't know where it's at. I just had it in my hand a few minutes ago because I was reading it. Anyways, okay, so it comes with the palette, obviously, and in the box you're going to get a sample pack of Urban Decay primer. Okay, it comes with 4 different primers, and it says there's a week's worth of primer in each little packet, and there's 4, so there should be a month's worth of primer. The primer runs between, I believe, $14 and $18 for whichever primer you end up needing. You have anti-aging, sin, it's shimmering, prevents fading and creasing. They're just different, original, so on and so forth. Okay, so it does come with a brush. It comes with a shadow and blending, or a shadow, double-ended shadow blending brush. Okay. I honestly am not a fan of it, just because I prefer softer brushes, and Urban Decay's brushes are just so firm. So I'm going to still use it, or I'm going to try and use it, and I'll see how I feel about it. I haven't used this palette yet. I've just kind of played with it. Okay, so I'm going to swatch these for you kind of quickly. So this is, my skin is too dark on the, let's see, I need a lighter piece of skin. Okay, that's not working out very well. Let's try it on the brush. So there's the Foxy. Okay, and there it is right on the top of mine. It's a very, very, very light color. Okay, and then you have, I think the names are funny. Half Baked, it's like a, it's gold. It's gold. I mean, there's no, it's not like, it's gold. See, it's gold. I was gonna say it's like this or like that. Nope, it's gold. Alright, next is Booty Call. They just, I mean, who comes up with these names? Seriously. Booty Call's like a pink highlighter color, I guess you could say. It's very pretty. Shimmer. It's got a nice glow. It's got a nice glow to it. Okay. Chopper. Is that what it's called? Chopper is, it's copper. I guess they can't call it chopper. I mean, call it copper, but it's copper. It's exactly what it is. Copper. And then there is, that reminds, forgot to talk about that. There's 3 matte shades in the palette. There's Foxy, Tease, and Blackout. The rest have some sort of shimmer, maybe some sort of glitter to them. So that was Chopper, and obviously that has glitter in it. Can you see the glitter? Yes, you can. Alright, Tease is one of the matte colors. The first color I did was, and this is, it goes on silky smooth, truly silky smooth. These colors are just, have insane coverage. I kind of just like played with them. I didn't do my makeup, I just played with them last night, and I'm very, very, very impressed. I cannot believe I've never bought a Naked palette before. This one is Snake Bite. It's a dark gold, very dark gold color. And again, just a beautiful, I mean, it literally feels like I'm rubbing liquid silk, powdered silk on my hand. That's how smooth these shadows are. This one is Suspect, and it's kind of it's an interesting color. It's like a silverish, goldish, has nice shininess to it. I mean, it would look great. I mean, it's just very pretty. Look at that. I mean, how gorgeous is that color? I think it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous color. This one's Pistil. Pistils are silver, so obviously this one's going to have a silver tone to it. Again, just a nice, pretty. I mean, look at this, is Suspect and Pistil next to each other. That's one thing I noticed about this palette. All the colors just go together. You could wear Blackout and Foxy and they would just go together beautifully. I know that's how they're made. What's next? Verve. It's like a silver pearl color. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. And then it took me a second to think about it, but this one's called YDK, which stands for You Don't Know. I had to think about that one. My finger's a little wet, so that's the only reason it's clumpy. If it seems clumpy, it's because my hands are wet from the makeup wipe. Look at that. That's so pretty. And also keep in mind I have very tan skin right now. Well, for me, it's tan skin. So it's going to look a little bit different on my skin if you have more fair skin. Busted is a purple glittery. It's glittery to me. Because once you start to put it on, you notice the glitter really start to be there. It's shimmery glitter. There is glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it. There's not a ton of glitter, but it does have that, I guess, like glitter feel. And the last color is Blackout, which is just the matte black. I'm trying to dry my fingers so I don't. And it's just regular black. See? I didn't put that on very well, did I? I think I put it over some gold. Let's try that again. So there you go. Okay, so there's what comes in the box. There's the palette real quick. So let's talk about the dupe. I found a dupe for quite a few different high-end, a lot of high-end product. And it's called Makeup Revolution. I'll put the link down in the description box. It's called, you Google Makeup Revolution and it comes up with a website. I don't know exactly what the website's called. But you look up Iconic Makeup Palette, and Iconic Makeup Palette is the replica of the Naked palettes. Okay. So you'll have Iconic 1, 2, and 3, which are going to be Naked 1, 2, and 3. Now, I'm curious if when the Smoky palette comes out this Thursday, here in a few days, if they're going to, how soon the Makeup Revolution is going to have a dupe. This retails for $54. If you buy off Makeup Revolution's website, and you buy the Iconic 1, 2, and 3, if you buy 2 of them plus shipping, in US dollars, it's going to equal $24.95 or something like that. In pounds, it'll be $15.95 for every. So when you go on the website, remember this: for every pound that something is on there, it's going to cost you $1.55. So if something's $4, 4 pounds, it's going to cost you $1.55 for every pound. Shipping is $7.95 in pounds. So for everyone, it's $1.55, or $1 US dollars equals 63 cents in pounds. Okay, so just Google it; it'll tell you. Or whenever you go to check out, just go hit PayPal, and PayPal will actually convert it for you, obviously. That way you can kind of get an estimate how much you're going to, or you'll know how much you're going to spend. I'm doing more research. I've read blogs and things like that, and I've watched a lot of YouTube videos about Makeup Revolution. They seem to be a pretty good alternative. There's one person I saw that did a complete comparison of all 3 Naked palettes and all 3 Iconic palettes and did them side by side, and they look exactly the same. The difference is going to be the quality. Obviously, these are very good quality. They're going to be very creamy, very, I guess, like elegant, so to speak. And the cheaper, the knockoff is going to be not as creamy. It's probably going to be a little clumpy. It might even be, it's not going to go on as smooth, things like that. So I'm going to do more research on the Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to see if it's going to be worth having it shipped from the UK and things like that. It'll probably take a couple weeks to get here, depending on how much you want to pay for shipping. So Makeup Revolution, like I said, I'll put the link in the description box, and I'm going to cut this video off because I'm right at 10 minutes. So thanks for watching, and talk to y'all later.